Hello Troopers, this is Mr. Nicholson. Today I'm going to show you how to fold a basic fortune teller. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take the top portion of our square and match it with the bottom, making sure that the corners align perfectly before we crease it in the middle. I like to use my fingernails to give it a nice crisp fold. Once we've folded it horizontally, we're going to fold it vertically by aligning the left side of the paper with the right side, making sure again that the corners are nice and aligned before we crease it in the middle. I like to press in the middle and then work my way out to the edges. Of course, after we've sharply creased it, we're not done. We need to open it up again. Our crisscrossing creases should create 4 smaller squares in our one large origami square. Next, we're going to take each corner and we're going to position it so that it touches the intersection of the 2 crisscrossing creases. Now remember, after taking our corners and folding them inwards, we must keep our edges of our folds aligned with the creases that we're using as guidelines. Now, after we finish folding all those corners, we're going to take the whole piece and flip it over to the opposite side. Here, we're going to take these corners and do the same thing. We're going to take the corners and have them align into the center, following our existing creases as guidelines. Well, that was easy. It is at this point we can go ahead and label our tabs 1 through 8 to represent various fortunes. It's time now to decorate the outer faces of the fortune teller. Next, we need to prep the fortune teller for use. Break in some of the folds by folding and unfolding at some key seams. The final step is to pull out the pockets where your fingers go. To do this, we must locate the seams that are connected to the corners of our fortune teller. Then gather these seams and the corners together into the middle, creating a sort of 3D star shape. Now, locate the outer faces of the fortune teller that you decorated previously and carefully pull them out so you can get your fingers under them. Place some messages or some fortunes in the spaces under each of the numbers. Okay, now you're set to offer somebody their fortune.